Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we will complete unit number 4, which is about numbers and shapes. Okay, so our learning outcomes for today, we are going to identify and name colors. We are going to count and write numbers. Then we are going to identify and name and count shapes. Okay, my students? Now, can you count the items and write it in the box? Okay, my students, can you do this? Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? How many flies here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many flies here? We have 9. So here you have to write number 9. Okay, can you do the rest? Can you count and write the numbers? Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have to write number 8 like this. Okay. Now count these butterflies. Okay. Now here we have shapes. Look here. What is it? This is a square. What is it? Square. Okay. And here we have a rectangle. Say it with me. A rectangle. Excellent. What about this? A triangle. What is it? A triangle. And the last one we have circle. What is it? Circle again. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, circle. Good. Now, here we have a song for the little Indians. Here we have Indians, and here we have song for them. Listen to the song.
Unit 4, Song 4.1, 10 Little Indians.
How many? 10. So how many little Indians here we have? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we have numbers and colors. What color is number 1? Red. Well done. What about number 2? Blue. Excellent. Number 3? Green. What about number 4? Yellow. Here, number 5? Orange. Number 6? Pink. 7? Purple. What about number 8? Brown. Number 9? Black. What about number 10? White. So can you color these shapes with the same color that we have here? For example, number 1 is red. Where is number 1 here? Here we have triangle with number 1. So I have to color it with red. Here, this one also 1. So I have to color it with red. Here we have rectangle with number 1. Okay, here I have rectangle with number 1. I have to color it with red. Okay, my students. Now look at number 2. Number 2 is blue. So you have to color number 2 here in this picture with blue and do the same with the other numbers. Okay, my students? Do you understand? Good. Now, so here we have, let's read a square. What is it? A square. Excellent. A rectangle. A rectangle. A triangle. A triangle. A circle. A circle. Okay? So a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle. Well done, my students. Now count and write. Here we have to count. Look at the little Indian. Each one of them has holding a shape. Here we have triangle. Here we have circle. Here we have rectangle. And here we have square. Okay, and look here. Here we have shapes. We have to count and write the number here. How many triangle here in this shape? Let's count. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to write number 6 like this. Now let's count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you have to write number 7. Okay. Now let's see the rectangle. How many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have to write number 4. Okay, my students, like this. Now, how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you have to write number 9 like this. Okay, my students? Good. Okay, my students? So do you know how to do this? Good. Now let's move. 7. Now count and write the number. Here it's challenge. We have to count all the square. This is 1, this is 2, okay, 3, 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 9, and the big one 10. So here how many square? How many squares? We have 10 squares. What about triangle? 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here this is 5, this is 6. So how many triangle? 6 triangles. Okay, now how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 6. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Yes? 4. My students, complete. 4, 5, 6, and here 7, 8. This is 8. So how many rectangles? 8 rectangles. Good. Okay. Now I will let you hear the song for the shapes. Listen to the song and join in. Okay, this one. Listen.
Song 4.2. The Shape Rhyme. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Stand up, turn around, touch a teddy bear. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Sit down, touch the ground, Point to a chair. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Stand up, turn around, touch a teddy bear. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Stand up, turn around, touch a teddy bear.
Okay, so here we have triangle, rectangle, circle, square. Okay, so these are the shapes. These are the shapes. Okay, now here you have to count and draw. Okay, and circle the numbers. How many rectangles in this picture? You have to count and circle. How many squares, sorry, in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you have to count and make circle for the numbers. Okay, how many circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many circle here? 7. How many triangle? You have to count the triangle here in the sun and make a circle. You have to also count the rectangle and make a circle for the numbers. Okay, my students? Good. Now listen and match. You are going to look at this one first. What is it? Pencil. Excellent. And here we have teddy bear. Here we have cat. And here we have telephone. And here we have number 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen to the description. For example, he will say it has got 5 rectangles, 1 triangles, and 1 square. What is it? So you have to match it with numbers. With number 1, okay? Listen and match. Okay, my students? Just a minute. Okay. This is 4.6. Okay. Listen.
Listening 4.6. 1. A triangle, a square, and 5 rectangles.
What is it? What is it, my students? A pencil. Well done. Excellent. So number 1 is a pencil. Okay, so number 1 is a pencil. Okay, listen. Number 2.
2. 2 squares and 10 circles.
What is it? It has 2 squares and 10 circles. What is it, my students? A teddy bear. Well done. So number 2 is a teddy bear. Okay. Number 3.
3. 6 triangles, 2 squares, and 3 circles.
What is it? 6 triangles, 2 squares, and 3 circles. What is it? A cat. Well done. So number 3 is a cat. What about the last one?
4. 10 squares, 2 circles, and 1 rectangle.
What is it? A telephone. Well done. So number 4 is a telephone. Well done. Now, here we have to listen and draw. Look here. Here we have big circle and little circle. Here we have big rectangle and little rectangle. Well done. Big square and little square. Big triangle and little triangle. So here you have to listen and draw. You are going to listen to the color. What is the big circles? What is the color of the big circle? What is the color for the little circle? You have to listen and color. Okay, my students? Listen and color. Okay, listen.
Listening 4.7. Color the little triangles purple.
Color the little triangle purple. So here, color the little triangle what? Purple. Excellent. Now listen.
Color the big triangles red.
The big triangle what? Red. So here, the big triangle, we will color it with red. Now listen.
Color the little circles brown.
What did it say? The little circle, what? Brown. Do we have brown here? It's look like brown. Okay. Now, listen.
Color the big circles yellow.
Yellow. So the big circle, yellow. Okay.
Color the little squares green.
The little square, green. So where is the little square? Here. So we have to color it with green. Listen.
Color the big squares orange.
The big one with orange. Where is orange? Here. Okay, so this is orange. Okay.
Color the little rectangles pink.
Okay, the little rectangle, pink. Where is pink, pink, pink? I don't have pink here. So this one with pink, okay? Now listen.
Color the big rectangles blue.
Okay, the big rectangle with blue. So here, this one with blue. And this is with pink, like this one. Pink, okay? When you have finished this one, you can color these pictures. For example, the red, the yellow circle, the big circle, you have to color it with yellow. So where is the big circle here? This head will be yellow. Okay, my students, like this. Here, this is a big circle, so you have to color it with yellow. And the big rectangle, you have to color it with blue. So you have to see where are the big rectangle. Here is big rectangle, so you have to color it with blue. Okay, like this. Okay, my students, can you do this? Good. Okay, here on your skills book, page number 28, you have to write numbers. So here you are going to write numbers 10 in 4 lines, and then find and circle. For example, here number 1. So where is number 1? You have to make a circle for it. Where's number 3? You have to make circle for number 3 like this. Where's number 5? You have to make circle for number 5 like this. Okay? And do the rest like I did. Okay? And here you have to write numbers from 1 till 10. As a homework, I want you to read this word and match. Rectangle. Where is rectangle? So you have to match with the picture. Okay? Do the rest with yourself. Okay, my students? That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.